Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 20th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're starting on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we are bouncing from the 50% pretty nicely. I think that we're either going to go up and make a pullback to this move down, and then later on continue the downtrend, or because the trend is definitely still up, there is a chance that it just keeps going up. Yes, this gap hasn't been filled, but gaps can stay open for a very long time before they fill. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, based on structure, the trend is still down. We do not have a break of structure yet. So there is a chance that this ends up, respecting like the 78%, make it a lower high and just keep on pushing down. For me personally, if it breaks the structure to the upside, I am definitely going to go back to being bullish. If you see like a lower high on maybe a little bit of a shorter time frame, maybe throw your Fibonacci retracement on this move down. If you see a nice, fib bounce, lower high, then you definitely could take it as a short. If it goes down and maybe to this area and then turns back up, then that's probably either a B or a two. That it would either go up and break structure for a wave three, or it would probably go back up to these highs right here and then reverse back to the downside if it's a wave C. But like I said, because the trend is technically still down, it could just end up continuing down like that. I'm basing this on the fact that we do not have a break of structure to the upside yet, even though we do have that 50% Fibonacci bounce on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.